Welcome to another Honda XR650L video. Today I'm going to be taking a ride with my friend Pete to Elm Hill Hose Company number 3 in Plymouth, Pennsylvania. I'm going to be riding the XR. He's going to be riding this awesome Ninja. How do you think the video is going to be, Pete?
Awesome.
You're going to see Harleys, fire engines, the hose company itself, and wait till you just see this amazing Harley.
Awesome.
I think the video is going to be awesome.
Awesome. Like Scott Hill. Awesome.
Oh yeah.
You know how to go, man. Alright, we'll go that way and then down that way like we did before.
Alright, sounds good.
This time if you hit a pothole, you'll be good. Because that front tire looks like it's a little low.
Yeah, it might be a hair.
That's what I'm saying. They gas real bad when they're low. It's only a single
Today we're going to be taking a ride to Elm Hill Hose Company number 3 located in Plymouth, Pennsylvania. You're going to meet a great guy named Brian. He's going to show you around the fire department a little bit. He works on some Harleys, he details them, he does an amazing job, and I'm going to show you those a little bit here. We're currently in Hanover. We're passing a really nice golf course here, and you got Pete on the Ninja up in front of me here.
Probably. I got about 60 miles.
We're going to be traveling some of the really nice mountainous roads and going through the country, and we're going to head through Mackinac, back through Plymouth, and finally end up at the hose company itself here. And as you're going to see, the area is absolutely beautiful here, and once we get to Nanticoke, you're going to see they love their roundabouts there. Wait till you see how many roundabouts that they have. I love this section of road. I love the rocks on both sides here. Absolutely beautiful area to be riding in, and it's 55 degrees. It's the end of March, and just a great day to ride. The sun's out, and I really do miss the sun. It's been cloudy lately, and just kind of dreadful, to be honest with you, so this is just a great day to get out. I would like to give a shout out to a YouTuber named Scott Hill. He doesn't put out many videos. You'll see one pop up every once in a while, but he does great work. He flies a drone above Pennsylvania, and just some amazing views, very relaxing, and you can really see the beauty of Pennsylvania. I'm going to leave a link to his channel in the comments section and also the description of the video. Be sure to check him out, guys. Few more of those roundabouts that I was talking about here. As you can see in front of me, there's Luzerne County Community College. You'll see the sign there, and you'll see one of the entrances on the right hand side as we're coming up over here. A great place to put a campus, that's for sure. It's very quiet, and my son's actually going there right now to be an electrician, so they do have the college on remote learning because of this COVID-19 virus, so hopefully he can get through his classes okay. It's definitely better to have hands-on training rather than, you know, doing the remote learning. So, what are you going to do? You take what you can get, and hopefully he can do as well as he's doing with the A's and the high test scores. So, checking out the land on the left-hand side over here. When you have a street and trail motorcycle, you're always looking for some places to ride. So when I'm alone, I think I'm going to go check out this area over here. I never rode in this area, so hopefully we're allowed to, and I'm just going to veer off and see what happens. You can see the area that we're riding through now. There's a cemetery on the left and the right hand side. Very beautiful area and very well maintained. Looks like we got another rider in front of us enjoying the beautiful day. Just a great section of road here. You can just see everything ahead of you, and with it being late March, you can see right through the trees. I don't know if we spooked this guy or he's just heading home. Anyway, he pulled over for us here. I guess we're getting a little too close for him. I absolutely love this section here. You're going to see as we're coming through that there's rock walls on both sides here, and just one of my favorite places to ride. Check out the rock wall on the right hand side here. I just love it. One of the more beautiful areas of Pennsylvania, that's for sure. And Pennsylvania definitely has a lot of great places to ride. Very relaxing, and I just love the open road. You just really can't beat it. You'll see as I was going through this section in one of my previous videos on the Can-Am Riker that I hit a pothole and hit it pretty hard. Check out that video if you haven't seen it. And the Riker survived, thankfully. It's very well built. I have the Riker Rally. If you haven't seen any of the Riker videos, I kind of run them along this format here and hopefully enjoy them. And I try to put out nice, relaxing content with some beautiful scenery. We're currently in Mackinac. We're going to be making our way through Shikshini and Nanticoke and finally through Plymouth.
What gas you got in?
I'm good for about 45 more miles.
Oh, then we shouldn't go that way.
I don't care. Go wherever you want.
That way you don't want to be cold. We're going to be right on the river down that way. That's cold.
I love the river on the right hand side here, and I just love the fact that we can see through the trees right now. Nothing's really budding or anything like that, and this stretch of Route 11 is absolutely beautiful. You're going to see we're coming up on the right hand side here. This is the Garden Drive-In located in Nanticoke. Great place. They have flea markets every Sunday, and they have movies every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and reasonable prices. Their snack bar is actually really inexpensive, and if the going rate is like it was last year, it should be $8 per person, and you get to see 2 movies. And they usually have 4 movies going, 2 on one screen and 2 on another screen. We're currently entering Plymouth here. You're going to see one of the other fire departments on the left-hand side there. We passed Plymouth Hometown Market, and another great place that we're passing is Uncle Buck's Barbecue. Really can't beat those guys. Awesome food, great prices. We're almost at Elm Hill Hose Company number 3. We're going to be taking a left on a street called Vine Street right here. Alright guys, the fire department is right on the left-hand side. Let me get this thing parked.
Brian.
What's going on, dude?
Or thanks.
Oh, good. Yeah.
Sounds like switchboard.
I'm Kenny.
Huh?
I'm Kenny from South Park.
Check out this bike, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the chrome work.
We'll drop her down for
This thing is awesome.
Wait to see this, guys.
No kickstand. It's a shotgun shock air ride.
Nice. What kind of bike is it?
That's a 2007 Super Glide. 96 cubic inch motor.
Looks beautiful. I love the
exhaust, and it's chipped.
flame job on it.
It runs. Probably one of the fastest Harleys I ever rode in my life. That's an 06 Road King. Had the regular, I call them cowboy bars. Came out and around. Put the ape hangers on, extended all the wires and the cables.
Definitely a nice bike.
Yeah. And the fairing. It's just gel coated now. He's just going to get the season out of it, then he has to get it sprayed. That's just the gel coat on there.
Show you some of the area here. Really nice fire department. Nice bikes in the back here. Really nice Harley. Couple Harleys here. He's working on this one over here. Wait, did the rims on that today?
Yeah.
Nice. I got to check out the beautiful fire engine here.
Yep, that was almost 5 hours to do the rims. Their front ones aren't bad, but the back ones they're tough, man.
They do look nice.
I'll tell you, get this. I just bought a roll of this too for the vinyl cutter.
Oh, that's nice. That is really nice.
The back one. You have the same cutter as me? You have the cricket.
No, I'm using a US cutter to do my vinyl.
Yeah, that's what I have, the US cutter. So I don't know if you ever noticed, but on your options, so I cut this decal, and then right after it, you take the same decal and you hit shadow, and then it cuts the black out, so you can lay the diamond or the gold leaf right over it, and it gives it that black shadow around.
Oh, okay, cool. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed our ride to Elm Hill Hose Company number 3. If you did, please hit that like button, and like always, thank you for watching.